Hey you guys, this is Michael Quayle, and I have a question for you. Is it possible to fail public speaking? In order to pass public speaking, you must first read the syllabus and second, follow the teacher's rules. Public speaking is important because the goal in class is to become an arena where history, theory, and praxis converge to make you a better and stronger public speaker, quoted from Dr. Rowe's public speaking syllabus. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about two things. One, why you should read the syllabus, and two, why you should follow your teacher's rules. Follow your teacher's rules. If your professor says they would like to be addressed by a certain name, follow the rule and address them by that name. Do not do as the following. Hey, Dr. R, how you doing? If in class your professor says that for a certain speech they would like you to be dressed up, maybe not dressed up really nice, but just dressed up semi-casual or at least presentable, do as you're said and not do what this guy did. Let's get our speech on. When giving a speech, do not sway. Swaying like a tree in the wind or like a boat is not a very good presentation. Teachers do not appreciate it, and it's distracting. So today, I'm going to talk to you guys about public speaking and how swaying in a boat isn't distracting at all. Like I'm not trying to hypnotize you. When you're giving a speech, there's two things you do not want to do. You do not want to mumble, and you do not want to chew gum. Or avoid trying doing a combination of both. So today I'm going to talk to you about public speaking. Sorry, I got some strawberry gum in my mouth. When you're giving a speech, don't wear a hat. It's raining outside, so I had to put this hat on, and I didn't want to take it off for the speech. In a speech, don't use the verbal fillers such as like, and. So, like, I'm going to talk to you about, like, public speaking. Another tip for in class is to respond to what your teacher is saying. By saying yes, yes sir, yes ma'am, just nodding your head, acknowledge of what they're saying. Don't do this. Eye contact is important and something you need to learn in moderation. You do not want to avoid eye contact because teachers do not like that in a presentation, such as. So today I'm going to talk to you about eye contact. Don't ever give eye contact. It's not good. Teachers don't like it. But at the same time, you do not want to stare down your teacher. You want to share the eye contact across the room, or else the teacher feels like this is happening to them. Now that I've gone over a few of the rules with you that Dr. Rowe has for her public speaking class, I'm going to give you an example of what you can achieve in her class. I'm dressed presentably, my feet are shoulder width apart, hands are going to be by my side, and I'm going to give you a little talk. I am not mumbling and speaking clearly and articulating my words. I am not swaying like a boat, but instead staying rooted. Also, no verbal filters. And I have no hat and no gum in my mouth. So what if you ask your teacher a question about maybe conduct in the class or maybe your grades? Read the syllabus first. That way you don't have to get that answer teachers usually give you. It's in the syllabus. Reading the syllabus is essential for the class. On the syllabus, it can tell you what the class requirements are, whether or not they allow you to bring laptops, or if you have your phones out during class. They tell you about their late work policies, and they tell you what is required in class. One example for each of these is something I'm going to pull from Dr. Rowe's syllabus. On Dr. Rowe's syllabus, it says that you can only miss 3 days with unexcused absences. After that, on the 4th day, your grade drops 1 letter grade, and on the 5th, you fail the course. For texting in class and having laptops in class, not allowed. If your phone goes off in class, she'll answer it. Just look at that. She lost her cell phone, and the guy in the background is obviously looking thinking, haha, you deserve it. For her late work policy says no, there is no late work. If you do not turn it in, you get a 0. End of story. The end. And her requirements for class said that she recommends one textbook, but all she really asks that you bring is some note cards and have them ready each day. Got my pen and note cards for the impromptu speech. In order to pass public speaking, you must read the teacher's syllabus and you must follow the teacher's rules. In this video, I talk to you about why you should follow the rules that the professor gives you and why you should read the professor's syllabus for the class. At the very beginning of the video, I asked you, is it possible to fail public speaking? The answer is yes. You could very well fail public speaking if you do not listen to the teacher's rules or follow the syllabus. Well, thanks for listening. This is Michael Quayle in Dr. Rowe's Public Speaking Maymester class.